Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Riri, and today's video is going to be showcasing the brand new Rebel Rouge Labs palette. Alright beauties, so before we jump in, please don't forget to subscribe down below and tap the notification bell so that you are notified of any future uploads. Also, don't forget about that little join button down there so that you can become a dreamer. You guys already know my love and admiration for Rebel Rouge Labs. I have loved everything that she has ever done aesthetically, the way that she plans. She is very intentional in her designs, from the packaging to labeling to naming of shadows. But y'all, this one right here, it is still sealed. This one right here, not only is it a Halloween theme, yes please, but it is also green and orange and all the yummy goodness that anybody could ever ask for. And I'm so excited. You guys know that I live for my warm tones. I love reds and oranges and yellows. I love grungy tones, and I love green. Y'all been sitting on green eyeshadows for way too long. I'm happy now. I'm happy to see people jumping on the green bandwagon, okay? So we are gonna open her up together. I am so over the moon excited for this. I think this is gonna be my favorite Rebel Rouge Labs palette yet. Oh my god, it's so good to see it in person. You guys, oh, it is so beautiful. I'm so excited, so excited. I also do want to say, you guys hear me mention all the time, one of the main reasons that I love indie brands, not just Rebel Rouge Labs, but indie brands in general, is their attention to detail, their personalization of everything. And with that being said, look at the palette and look at the sticker. She always, with every single launch that she does coordinating stickers and things like that. I think that is just, for me, those small things make a big difference. So we're gonna go in it together. This is called the Rebel Rouge Labs Howlin For You palette. She is cruelty free. Oh my goodness. That is, you guys, that is fucking badass. Look at the freaking wolf. It almost looks like it is literally jumping off the page. I wonder if this is UV light reactive. I'm gonna have to ask. So we're gonna open her up together. Whoa, those pans are massive. Okay, so good size mirror. Folds all the way back. Love. Oh my god. Oh my god, that glitter is gorgeous. I'm seeing, I mean, of course, when you see it online, it's one thing and you expect one thing. I'm using that as a freaking blush. Maybe mix it with that, because y'all know I live for peachy, corally orange blushes. Oh, and those, oh, it's beautiful. I really want to swatch this real quick. I'm so excited. Okay, and I'm not doing a look today. Again, I basically want to showcase the palette tonight. We're going to do some live eye swatches, and then I have a series of looks planned for this palette, but so far so good. So let's go over the shade names, shall we? We have Beast, Electrode, and Abyss. We have Laboratory, Ghosted, and Zoinks. You guys hear Caleb laugh? Then we have Shriek, Menace, and Illusion. So, we're gonna dive in. And you guys know you can use code DRAIN01 for 10% off at any time. This is a code where I can earn products depending on how many times my code is used. If you do not feel comfortable in using that code, then by all means, that is fine by me. So with that being said, let's dive on in to some live swatches. I also just want to say, like, the pan size, you guys, is massive. Those, I mean, these are gonna last me for 10 years, which I'm fine with. I also did want to just do something kind of bold and colorful, so I have on my very first pair of earrings I ever got from the Lulu Experience. I'm wearing my unicorn top, and we got some cute little headbands going on. All I put on was a little bit of foundation, some bronzer on my brows. I do have on my MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and the way that I do my swatches is, if it is a metallic or a glitter, we will press it into the lid. I will get up close and personal so that you can actually see the saturation of color. With the other ones, the matte shades, we will go in with a more dense type of packing brush. this is a way for me to showcase what the actual color looks like on the skin, on the lids. Also, huge shout out to that girl Shay. I always say that she is one of the hardest working YouTubers because when I do eye swatches and just a few eye swatches, y'all, my eyes are dying. So shout out to Shay. I'm not obviously the first person to do live eye swatching. I also did want to try to color coordinate my nails with the palette, or at least as close as I could without seeing it in person. So far so good. I'm very excited. We are going to dive in. I actually think I'm going to go into these two shades first, just to kind of get a glimpse of how it would look on the cheeks. So I'm very lightly going to tap in because I don't know how pigmented these are going to be, and we do not want to look like a clown. Oh, yes. And I get it, this is not everybody's vibe. I think it screams fall. I think it screams holiday. I think it screams grunge, which I'm down for all of those. Oh, I will be using this again. And oddly enough, I don't have very many matte blushes, so I'm even more excited about this. Okay, we're gonna dive right on in. So our first two shades are going to be Beast and Electrocute. I will swatch them on my fingers for you to see as well. We have Beast and Electrocute. We're gonna put Beast on with our finger. Holy oh my God. I was not expecting that. Oh, pretty. Again, you guys, these are not always going to be the prettiest of swatches. This method, honestly, is to just showcase the saturation of pigment. That is it. I like how my purple nail kind of matches that. And then we are going to go in with a brush into Electrode. I'm actually getting far less kickback in this particular palette, based off of one shade, of course, so far. Right. Oh. A lot of times with oranges, they kind of disappear and wither away. And this is more of like a cantaloupe type of orange. Again, we're not going for a look. So far, so good, you guys. All right, so we have the shades Beast and Electrode. All right, beauties. Next up is Abyss and Laboratory. Abyss is a deep metallic hunter green, and Laboratory is a bomb-ass neon green. So we have Abyss and Laboratory. I, of course, will be applying Abyss with a finger. That is my preferred method. If you do have long nails, I suggest using a firm brush, a flat brush, a cut crease brush, and just wet it slightly. Don't saturate it, and it will apply beautifully. Okay, that is gorgeous. You guys know Mama likes green. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. Oh, it has like a, let me get up close. Oh please. Oh, it does. It has like a black base, it looks like. And I feel like I'm seeing a hint of gold in here. Am I? I might be crazy, but I really feel like I'm seeing it. Then we're gonna go into a Laboratory. Again, a nice firm brush. I'm using a different one from the last shade. Again, not much kickback in this palette at all. Ooh, I like it. With these types of shades, I like to kind of press it in place first. And then, of course, I would blend it out with other shades, depending upon the kind of look. Oh, look, y'all, look. Oh, my bad. Okay, so far so good. I do also want to bring up to, like, her shadows have 0 scent. They don't smell heavy of any kind of fragrance, whether it be baked goods, whatever, or whether it be chemical. You don't experience that with this. So this is Abyss and Laboratory. All right, beauties, next up are Ghosted and Zoinks. Ghosted and Zoinks. We're gonna be very careful with this glitter. And this, oh, we have Ghosted and Zoinks. I'm excited. I'm very gingerly going to press this. There is a little bit of kind of a sticky base in here. Oh my god, that is really pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. So I'm seeing a lot of silver, and then there's a lot of green, red. Oh, that's pretty. Some orange. You guys got to see this up close. And then Zoinks, again, I'm going in with a clean, like firm shader type brush. Again, there's not a lot of fallout in this palette at all. So we are going to press. Yeah, impressed so far. Oh, this glitter is gorgeous. So we have Ghosted and Zoinks. All right, beauties. Next up, we have Shriek and Menace. Shriek and Menace. You guys. We have Shriek and Menace. I'm excited about this shade. Also the glitter shadow, the shade Ghosted. Obviously you can still see it on my face. What I like to do in that case, when it's kind of clinging to my skin, I literally take either an e.l.f. eye tape or a shadow shield that has the little sticky piece on it, or even some Scotch tape. Please listen to me when I say this. Do not take the tape straight to your eyelid or your face. Put it on your hand first a couple of times so it's still tacky, but not super, super tacky. And then gently press it on top of the glitter. Works every single time. So now we are gonna go into Menace again. Clean brush. Oh, y'all, and my thumb, it's orange from Sasson. That's why I haven't been using my thumb for anything. I also don't want anyone to be like, wait, she didn't put anything on her thumb. Why is her thumb orange? Holy balls. Ooh. This is a beautiful mid-tone matte purple that is really, really pretty. This one has a little bit more fallout in it. I don't know if that's because of the shade or because my brush is slightly different than the other ones that I used. Oh yeah, that's really beautiful. Ooh. And y'all know I haven't always been the biggest fan of purples, but they do look absolutely stunning on brown eyes. I mean, they just look gorgeous on brown eyes. Or if you have blue eyes or green eyes, they look really pretty too. Oh yeah, I like these. Oh, that one is gorgeous. Oh, it has like a yellow kind of reflect to it. All right. That is Shriek and Menace. All right, and last but certainly not least, darlings, we have Illusion. I will say that Menace did stain very, very, very slightly. Of course, I haven't actually washed my face. I'm literally going in with a puff and some micellar water. So we will go in with Illusion. This is a beautiful kind of purple meets periwinkle, and I do see a little bit of a silver shift in here. So that is Illusion. And of course, we will just press that one. Holy shit! I was not expecting that. I want to also say, you guys, that her metallic shades, most of what you put onto your finger comes off on your lid. I have tried a lot of metallic formulas, shimmery type of formulas, that when you press in with your finger and you press them onto the lid, there's nothing on your lid and the makeup is still on your finger. That is stunning. Oh God, I have so many ideas already. So that is the shade Illusion. All right, beauties, I am back. I really enjoy this palette. I actually am gonna say I'm really feeling the massive 9 pan palette. The only thing that I will say, again, with the Ghosted, it is in here slightly soft, and it will kind of stay and kind of cling to the skin. That is pretty natural and normal for a glitter. I know a lot of people don't like glitters, but I really think that if you do even omit the glitter, you are still looking at a beautiful fall-friendly, Halloween-friendly, grunge-loving friendly type of palette. Again, these pan sizes are massive. I'm really excited. I also like the fact that she put the mattes kind of here, and then the shimmers, and then the really pretty glitter shade on the inside. I think that's so cool. I love the names. Again, I love everything that she does aesthetically. I think everything performed beautifully. The only shade that really had any type of a kickback to it at all was the shade Menace. Aside from that, I had little to no kickback at all. And the artwork, it's beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous. I definitely say, of course, if you love Halloween themed items, if you love Rebel Rouge Labs, if you love indie brands, or if this is just kind of your vibe in general, then I say go for it. I think it is absolutely stunning. You guys will see many looks with this palette. And of course, I will most likely be using this for Halloween looks as well. It's so funny because when she first dropped the kind of sneak peek to us, I was like, you know, that's not a Halloween palette for me. Like, I literally use those colors all day, every day. I mean, aside from the purple, but the oranges and the greens, 100%. So I will be using this palette far beyond just Halloween vibes. But I think that she nailed it. Again, aesthetically, it's gorgeous. The attention to detail, the packaging, I mean, everything that she does, you guys, is done with thought and with intention. She didn't say, oh, this is a Halloween palette, throw in a bunch of oranges and say, oh, here it is. You know what I mean? There's always thought put into everything that she does. So, Marianne, girl, you already know, I think you're a freaking badass. I'm really excited to use this palette, like really get into it and play with it. But that is it for today. I appreciate you guys so much. Let me know what you guys think. I honestly cannot get over the packaging. Cannot get over this. That is gorgeous. And the pan sizes. I like that change. Also, I like the fact that it has some oranges in there that look really stunning as blushes too. So that is it, beauties. Thank you so much. And don't forget, you can use code DRAIN01 for 10% off at checkout. Also, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Oh, that is pretty. That's like a brown base. That's gorgeous. That is pretty. Oh Lord, let me get some Garnier micellar water. I need the water to get this off of my eye. I need some water. Oh yeah, that works perfectly. And I'm still recording.